My name is Adam Farrell-Wortman. I'm the Director of Horticulture here at the Tucson Botanical Gardens, and I'm standing next to Dasylirion wheeleri, otherwise known as Sotol or desert spoon. Desert spoon is one of the most rock-solid plants you can put in your landscape. It can take the most direct sun. It can take radiating heat off of a building. So it's a fantastic plant to add to a xeriscape desert landscape, especially if you don't want to be paying it too much attention to your space. You can see it is gorgeous in structure. It can hold a large space all by itself. It does have these very barbed, strappy leaves. It is a monocot, so part of the grass group of plants. It puts out a terrific inflorescence, a really big flower stalk that can get up to 15 feet high, and it can do that annually as a mature plant. It tops off at about 6 to 8 feet high, but they can also be as short as 3 feet. They grow this gorgeous skirt. At least I think it's a gorgeous skirt. But the reason why this plant has a skirt like that is that dead material actually protects the base of the plant from direct sunlight and produces almost a mulch underneath. So it mulches itself, so it retains more water when you keep the skirt on it. The other benefit to the skirt is it provides shelter for beneficial insects. I know a lot of Lepidoptera, a lot of moths, and a lot of butterflies, they create their chrysalis or cocoons on the inside of that skirt. So when you cut that off, you've taken away that habitat. We advise people to leave the skirts on the plant. It's only an aesthetic choice to take it off. The Sotol here is part of the asparagus family of plants, Asparagaceae, and that includes both the asparagus you buy in the store. It also includes very familiar plants to us like the agave, but this is a different genus than the agave. This plant has lots of uses from the native peoples of the region. One of the uses is to distill it, and the liquor that's created is called Sotol, and it's the northern cousin of tequila or mezcal, because this plant grows in farther northern areas than agave do. And the leaves, being so strappy and fibrous, were actually stripped of their spines on the edges and used to make baskets and rugs. One of the common names for this plant is desert spoon, and the reason for that name is the space where the leaf attaches to the stem just has a spoon-like shape. Commonly can be used in a floral arrangement. They gather a bunch of them together, the leaf upside down kind of, and they create the semblance of a dried flower with those spoon shapes. If you're looking for an evergreen plant that is very structural and can hold a whole space by itself, but it's also really tough and can take all types of conditions and needs very little care on your part, the desert spoon Sotol is a great choice.
Hi, I'm Tom McNamara, host of Arizona Illustrated. Thanks so much for watching this story from our show. And for more local stories from Arizona Illustrated, just click right here.